Welcome to our HSC knowledge session where safety is not just a rule, it's a responsibility. Let's start. What is SCABA? SCABA stands for self-contained breathing apparatus. And what is PAS? PAS stands for Personal Alert Safety System. What is SDS? SDS stands for Safety Data Sheet. What is ERT? ERT stands for Emergency Response Team. What is FIRE? FIRE stands for Fin Inform Restrict Extinguish. What is RACE? RACE stands for Rescue Alarm Confine Extinguish. What is ppm? Stands for parts per million. And what is STEEL? STEEL stands for Short Term Exposure Limit. What is TWA? TWA stands for Time Weighted Average. What is LEL? Stands for Lower Explosive Limit. What is UEL? UEL stands for Upper Explosive Limit. What is OEL? OEL stands for Occupational Explosive Limit. What is BA? BA stands for Breathing Apparatus. What is FFE? FFE stands for Firefighting Equipment. What is emergency? Emergency stands for Immediate Action for Safety. What is EAP? EAP stands for Emergency Action Plan. And what is hot work? Hot work stands for welding, cutting, grinding, or work that produce a spark. What is gas test? Gas test stands for checking atmosphere for flammable or toxic gases. What is flammable? Flammable stands for substance that can easily catch fire. What is fire point? Fire point stands for place where fire equipment is kept. What is extinguisher? Extinguisher stands for device used to put out fire. What is alarm? Alarm stands for warning signal for danger. And what is evacuation? Evacuation stands for leaving dangerous areas safely. What is assembly point? Assembly point stands for safe meeting place during emergency. And what is fire watcher? Fire watcher stands for person responsible for monitoring and preventing fire hazards during hot work. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share, and comment.